Gonna do another 3 miles today. So far it's been a week. I don't feel sore, which is good. But also I haven't ran more than 3 miles. So we should see how that feels whenever I get there, of running more than 3 miles. The longest I ran is 5 miles, and that was in New York this past summer. So hopefully before the half I can run maybe 7 or 8 miles, but we'll see what happens.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I finished running. I did, I think, 3.8 miles, but since I don't have a watch, I just kind of winged it, and I only looked at my phone once to see how many miles I ran, which is a good sign, because I remember when I did 5 miles in New York, once I got to mile 4, I was looking at my phone every 2 seconds to see how much I had left of my 5 mile run. But it was nice to not look at my phone to see how much I had left. It was kind of just going till I wanted to end, kind of, in a way. But yeah, it felt good after the first mile. The first mile was a little rough, but after that was good. So now I'm gonna stretch, shower, and then register for the half, because I haven't done that yet. I just decided I was going to do it in the other video. I just haven't actually registered, so I guess I'm not really doing the half until I do that part, but that's coming now.
Where you going, where you go? Dreadful things up in my skull, and I try not to let them lead. On my way inside your beast. Where you going, where you go? Where you going, where you go? Let me down by a landslide. Don't let me down, got my hands high. We fall and I might.
I'm all registered now. Ready to go. Now it's for sure. It is official. I'll catch you next time.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on a